Okay, in this video, we're going to go back to the canvas and we're going to have a bit more of a look around and check out some of the other features that are available to you to support your language learning. This time, we're going to go into French. We're going to use the number 5 again because it tends to be a fun, easy example to learn. But we're going to look at the features now. So we're going to look at that row at the top with all those different icons. Let's suppose then that we've just drawn something and we go, oh, actually, don't really like that. Kind of want to start again. So that little dustbin is going to allow us to clear the canvas so we can start again. Maybe we've been drawing and then we make a mistake and we're like, oh, okay, click on the little curly arrow that goes backwards. That's going to undo. We could go back and we can redo with the other button. That's great. Next to that, we've got the pop-up card, which is for the phonetic breakdown and the memory prompt, like the visual memory prompt. So on this example at the moment it says sank because that is how to pronounce 5 in French. It sounds like sank. And then underneath that is this little memory prompt. So it might be that we've drawn a picture of a number 5 that sank to the bottom of the sea, but we don't quite like it. So we want to come up with something else. So maybe, let's clear our picture. We go into this. We quite like the way that sank is written. We can't think of another way that we would write that out phonetically to help us better understand and remember how to pronounce it. But maybe our prompt is, how about 5 boats that sank to the bottom of the sea? So maybe that just helps us remember better this word and example. And you can see that that has changed now the visual memory prompt. So we can do that for any of the words, and we can go in and we can literally type in anything, and the same for the phonetic, and we can save it to tailor it and personalize our learning experience for us. And if we want to, we go back and clear it and it resets it. So suppose we did draw 5 boats at the bottom of the sea, okay? I'm not going to draw 5 now because we're just going through the features, but then we can save that image to the gallery, press OK, go to our photos, and there it is. It's saved in our photo gallery. So if we want to go back to some of these words separately in photos or share them with us on social media, which is great, we can do that. We can save them to the photos and then use them somewhere else. The other thing to look at is you've got the pencil kit itself. So we have got all these different features that feature at the bottom, so we can change the colors. We can do that in a whole bunch of different ways. We've got a few different pens and textures that we can use, okay, and all these different things that we can start to explore and play with to make our language learning experience a bit more creative, a bit more visual, and hopefully a bit more successful. Keep being creative.